Hey, Pat Bottom folks, how you guys doing again? Yo, welcome back. Welcome back to Pat Bottom Kitchen. You know Pat Bottom Kitchen have everything original and all sorted, yes? So here we go. Today, we are in the blessed land again of land settlement. Yeah, cut on a coconut tree. Yes, man, when we cut on the coconut tree, you know we have jelly coconut. We have jelly. We have coconut. Yes, we have the dry one. Yeah, we have the one that were not good. The one them where, we discard. But here what happened now. So we have a coconut over there. Yeah, man, coconut in the Jamaican cuisine, one of the main things. That's what we do. We do a lot of coconut, yeah? We're the Asian people in a big competition with coconut, yeah? But Jamaica, we do a lot of coconut, so to speak, okay? Because that's how it is. Okay, when we cut the coconut tree down in this part of the island, we always have food. As we say, when we say we have food, we have food. And we discover a lot of stuff. Yeah? When we do discover stuff, we discover something like this. The bamboo shoot. We all know the bamboo shoot, yeah? But we go to the art of the coconut tree. And when we go to the art of the coconut tree, yes, we are going to encounter with something looking like this. That's the sap, inside the sap. Not really, well, it's the heart, I would say the head of the coconut. Okay, and that's the sap. Okay, this sap now, you see right there, we take it out just now. This sap right here, this sap is one of the food that we cook. Yeah, it's like a veg that we cook. See him, I'm look white and pretty. Yeah, man, that's the sap of the thing. And it comes from this part of the coconut here, this region of the coconut. Yes, that region of the coconut, that's where we get the sap from. Yeah, we get this type of thing here that look like arta palm, or it look like bamboo shoot. Yeah, have a look at it, guys. See what it look like? This is what it looks like. Leafy and all that, yeah? And this is what we cook. We're gonna cook this down, Pat Bottom Kitchen, I take you to the place. This is coconut tree, guys. This is the sap inside the head of the coconut. Yeah, it's like, it tastes just like the kernel of the coconut, just the same. But this is what naturally it's become a vegetable in everything. Yeah, this become a vegetable in everything right here. Veggie. Look how it look, right? Break up, you see it? Yeah, this is where we get from the sap of the coconut tree. Yeah, and this is what it looks like right here. Alright, Mr. Smith. Come taste the thing, man, where the people see what going. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is the real thing right here, so now. So the sap.
So this jelly.
Yeah, it look
real authentic.
See him there? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
see it look?
Yeah, man, I like this, meat,
Yeah, man. Real meat. Yeah, man, check it out.
Yeah, man, what this, man?
What flavor it up? Tell me what flavor it up.
Right now, to be honest, you see this? It tastes like the coconut itself,
Tastes like the coconut itself.
Tastes like the coconut itself.
Yeah, man, a real thing. Me taste it,
Yeah, man, so when you cook this now,
yeah,
with the seasoning them and thing, it tastes just like meat. Authentic,
Authentic again. Already I hear a word, boss, man.
Yeah, man, authentic Jamaican cuisine, you see me? Right, nice. I see it, coconut art. We don't waste it, we cook it. So we cut it out. Big chef, Mr. Brian, Pat Bottom Kitchen. Carry it home and go deal with it now professionally.
Yes.
How you going to season it up, my boss? How you going to deal with a meal like this?
Well, you do a coconut, we have to cook straight coconut. Yeah. A rundown, This look like a rundown to me. To me, this look like we're going to make a rundown. So vegetable rundown. Yes.
So you're going to line up some native round that.
Right. Right. And cook him down with him skelly.
Smell it already. Smell it already.
Yeah, man.
I smell it already. I taste it up.
Cook it.
Yo, Pat Bottom Kitchen. See it, yeah. Jamaica, so we do things. We don't make it waste around here. Watch. Yeah, man, the coconut art, this meat.
Yeah, it
How
look
we
like...
deal with this in the bush there again, cross south? Are they a rock Indian?
No, no, these are the Asian people.
The Asian people them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
man,
them
I
thing
said
they
the
meet, you know.
Asian people them go on, you know.
Mm.
Kind of almost like the Jamaican them, but me I tell you, we
Yeah,
have
we have
some
a
of
twist.
the best coconut them in the world. We
Yeah,
call it native.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Produce a lot of fat, a lot of
Produce
oil.
a lot of oil. And me I tell you, say, Bottom Kitchen know how to do the things, alright, you know. The master cook I go bring this in the kitchen.
Yes.
Sort it out and send it on to the world. So you wanna do buy on a ticket.
Stay tuned because
Stay tuned.
It's gonna be happening, yeah?
Come
Yeah,
check
man,
it,
as
man.
you
You
say.
can't fly down. You can't fly down here. Come
Yeah,
check
man.
it.
As you say,
Bottom Kitchen.
at the coconut tree, man. So we have the food sort out here, and definitely it's no other way but the real way, yeah? Yeah, that's how we are dealing with it.
Yeah, man.
Look how clean and pretty. Yeah, man, it's unbelievably gentle.
Clean and nice.
Yes.
Straight from out of the coconut. The
Yes.
tree they are ground on the
So we have
seed.
put some coconut milk on this.
Yeah, man.
And we are going to put some, we have turn a rundown. Keep some saltfish down good, put with this. Yeah, man, and we just, it's a rundown pot. Thank you, Mr. Spit, for your input on this. Because you don't know anything already. Alright? Yeah, man, that's everything. That's the Pat Bottom Kitchen I'm going to take you. Yeah? Yeah, in a couple of weeks we're going to be cooking in the kitchen. So, but we're going to take you in the fields, you know, take the families in the field, let them know what's going on out in the fields. You know, so boy, you know, we are dealing with things from scratch. Yeah, so when we take you out in the field, we definitely know, so when we want to know, so that we are dealing with. Yeah? Yeah, we are taking things from scratch. So, you know, a part of the thing, yeah, this coconut tree cut down and we decided to take out the heart. And the Pat Bottom Kitchen, I'm going to take it to now. Yeah, when we are cooking it, we saute it and put in a stir fry and thing. We saute it, we run it down. Yeah, man, as we know, we do run down. So, that's the thing now. Alright. So, as we say, we have a lot of food. We have a lot of food, just we have to, you know, as the old people say, turn you and make fashion. And yes, and this is one of the fashionable things we can always have, you know, right here at Pat Bottom Kitchen. Yeah, man, this is the coconut sap, the head up by the tail, way up near the tail. Yeah, man, the soft part, very nice, yeah. And that's what we're gonna cook inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. So, have no fear. Pat Bottom is here, so if you want to feel it, you know what you gotta do. You gotta touch it if you want to feel it, yeah.
Pat Bottom.
And when you touch it and you subscribe, you know we'll be by your doorstep. So you know what happened. We be by your doorstep in a jiffy, okay? So let us hear what's happening. Touch it, feel it, and you ring that bell, bang, and you know what happened, alright? Yeah, man, I know you really want to taste it too, but you know, it's all in the makings, alright? It's all in the makings at Pat Bottom Kitchen. So let's see what happened, alright? Let's hold it. Let's keep it there for now, and you know, Pat Bottom Kitchen to the world. Yeah, and we're taking it to you all the way from Port Antonio, Jamaica. Land settlement, yes? So this is where it happened right here for now, okay? Yeah, okay. So we'll talk to you later. Pat Bottom Kitchen.